Hello and welcome back to the Coreco Couch Masterclass session. Now we're going to do something a little different this time. I've got Jenifer back with us on the couch. Welcome, Jen.
Thank you, Monty.
And I want to talk about diversity and inclusivity in financial services. It's a passion of ours at Coreco. But some people don't quite understand it. They don't know why we're doing all this, why we're passionate about it in financial services. And as someone such as yourself, who I know speaks very eloquently about it and has done some great work within the industry, why is it important that we're even talking about this?
Gosh, where do we start?
It's a big question. Sorry.
It's a massive question. All sectors are looking at diversity, equality, and inclusion. It's not just specific to the mortgage industry or even the financial services industry. And there are two reasons why we are considering it. One is that it's the right thing to do.
Yeah.
And the other is that there is a business case for it. So, the fact is we live in a very diverse society now. As a business, what you really want to do is have a workforce that is reflective of your client base. If you have a narrow workforce, you're less likely to attract a wider client base. So it's just great all round. It's great to have a positive working environment where you're in a space that is open and inclusive to people from all different backgrounds. And that can be gender, it can be race, it can be age, it can be socioeconomic backgrounds, it can be educational background. There are so many streams to diversity. And I just think it's really important to be open and welcoming of all different types of people. I've been able to listen to a lot of talks, presentations, and there was one talk where somebody said it's about creating positive equity. So your clients, it's a really nice term. Your clients want to know that they are dealing with a company that is looking after people for all the right reasons. And if you can create positive equity within your company, it's just going to be very appealing to the people that you want to work with. I've also been told that investors look at people's D&I policies in the same way they look at ESG policies.
Yeah.
So it's just good practice.
And as you say, it's the right thing to do. It's been a passion of mine for a while. And I agree with you. So I'm a strong believer that people want to see themselves reflected in that not just themselves, but also their ideals in the businesses that they're dealing with. I don't deal with certain businesses now unless I think they reflect the same kind of culture that I hold dear. So it is something that's very important. How have you found things change through your journey in financial services?
I mean, I look at myself. I am female. I'm a person of colour. I have neurodiversities. I'm self-employed. I'm kind of quite opposite to maybe what a traditional stereotype of somebody in financial services used to be.
Yeah.
But I think that's actually a very good thing because it shows that a lot of change has happened. I do a lot of work, or I try to do a lot of work advocating for female financial empowerment as well. So I find that I've got a lot of female clients that want to deal with me, not because they wouldn't deal with a male, but they just like to have the choice of having, again, somebody that reflects maybe an understanding of a journey that they might have been on, or perhaps they might be more scared to ask certain questions, and they prefer to have somebody that they feel might understand their circumstances a little better.
And do you feel that the industry is in a better place now than it was when you started?
100%. And I think actually that journey has rapidly moved quite quickly over the last couple of years. I do a lot of work with Amy and the Working in Mortgages steering group. I've been part of the DIF forum, and together those two things have managed to, or those two initiatives, I should say, have managed to create a lot of progress in a very short period of time. There's still masses of work to do, but compared to even where I think we were just a couple of years ago, I think it's changed a lot.
Good.
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.
That's very positive, and we've still got a lot of work to do, though.
Absolutely.
Thank you for watching this Coreco Couch Masterclass.